Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix no sound coming from your headset on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a pair of headphones, just like these ones here, and it has a headphone jack, and you're trying to make it so that the sound from your Switch 2 comes out of these headphones. How do you actually go ahead and fix this? So first things first, let's actually go ahead and make sure that when you connect your headphone jack into the socket here, you want to make sure that it's securely connected, okay? Now, if the sound still continues to not work, what you can do next is that, let me go ahead and put in my headphones first. If you navigate to where it says System Settings, which is here, and then navigate down to where it says Audio, and then for the audio output source, it's set to automatic, but you want to make sure that this is set to audio jack. If you don't see the name of your headset within this option here, then that means it might be due to a faulty headset in which why you're not hearing sound. So because I see the name of my headset here, I can set it to audio jack and I hear sound coming from this one here. But if you're not seeing this as an option, then it might be due to a faulty wiring, like maybe the headset jack isn't connected properly, or maybe it's just not connecting at all, at which point you might need to switch headsets. But that's how I went ahead and fixed my headset from not working on my Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.